How can I leave a voicemail with a blocked number?
Hello, and welcome to another tech tutorial. Today, we're going to cover a question many of you have been asking. How can I leave a voicemail with a blocked number? It can be a tricky process, but don't worry, we're going to break it down for you in a few simple steps.
What does it mean to have a blocked number?
To start with, let's clarify what we're talking about. A blocked number is a phone number that you've decided not to accept calls from, typically through a setting on your mobile phone. When a blocked number tries to call you, they're usually directed straight to voicemail. However, it's important to understand that the specific behavior can vary based on your service provider and phone settings.
How can I call from a blocked number?
Now, let's say you want to call someone and have your number appear as blocked. This can usually be done by dialing a prefix before the number you want to call. In North America, for example, you can typically dial 67 before the phone number to hide your caller ID. However, it's crucial to check with your service provider to confirm the correct method in your region.
Can I leave a voicemail with a blocked number?
Here's where we get to the meat of the question. Can you leave a voicemail with a blocked number? The short answer is yes, you can. When you call a number with a blocked caller ID, and the recipient doesn't pick up, either because they're unavailable or because they've blocked your number, your call will typically be directed to their voicemail system.
How can I leave a voicemail with a blocked number?
Leaving a voicemail with a blocked number is just like leaving any other voicemail. After you hear the voicemail greeting, simply wait for the beep and then leave your message. Remember, though, your number will still be blocked when you leave your voicemail, so if you want the recipient to know who called, you'll need to include that information in your message. So there you have it. You've learned what a blocked number is, how to call from a blocked number, and how to leave a voicemail with a blocked number. Just remember to always use these tools respectfully and responsibly. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, thanks for tuning in.